AI isn't coming for your job. The person who knows how to use AI is. And that's exactly why I decided to dive in, to learn how to use AI before it replaces me. So hi, I'm Francis from Singapore, and this is the start of my journey to build my own AI automation agency, from absolute beginner to business owner. Like many of you, I've been watching how AI is changing everything, from how we work to how businesses operate. I realized something. I can either ignore it and get left behind, or I can learn to use it and take control of my future. So I made a decision to arm myself with AI skills, document everything I learned, and share it with you right here on this channel. My ultimate goal isn't just to learn AI for myself. I want to use it to build a lifestyle business, an agency that helps small and medium-sized enterprises, especially here in Asia, automate workflows and lower costs. Why SMEs? Because they are the backbone of every economy, but most of them still rely on manual work, outdated systems, and huge manpower costs. With aging populations across Asia, labor shortages are becoming a serious problem. If these businesses don't adapt, struggle to survive. That's where I want to come in, by helping them implement smart AI or allow them to run leaner, faster, and more efficiently. So business owners can finally focus on what matters most, growing the business, not managing repetitive tasks. I'm currently learning from some of the best creators online, including Liam Audsley, who teaches how to build AI automation agencies step by step. Each week, I'll be applying what I learned, from prompt engineering to workflow design to getting clients using AI tools. And here's the deal, I'll be completely transparent about it. You will see my wins, my mistakes, my experiments, and how I turn everything I learn into real agency systems that help businesses run better. If you're someone who wants to build your own AI automation business, or just curious about how AI can transform the way we work, this channel is for you. This is just the beginning. My goal here is to share weekly updates, everything I learn about building and growing an AI automation agency right here on YouTube. So if you want to follow along, learn with me, or maybe even start your own AI journey, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss my weekly progress. Let's grow together, learn how to use AI the right way, and help businesses thrive in this new era. Remember, it's either we learn AI or get replaced by those who do. I'm choosing to learn. What about you?